Hello, CIS educators and creatives. My name is Gitani, but most people call me G. I'm a fellow educator who loves design and, above all, values every opportunity to build capacity and empower colleagues to use technology to suit individual needs. So today, I want to welcome you to a short professional learning series where we'll take a dive into the world of Canva to enhance our branded designs. In today's dynamic educational environment, first impressions matter more than ever. A consistent, branded approach not only helps in making our materials recognizable, but also resonates with our students, staff, and the broader CIS community. When we add our unique school spirit and brand colors to our materials, we're doing more than just making things look pretty. We are building a strong school identity. Every document, poster, or infographic becomes an ambassador of our school's values and ethos. We are facilitating better learning. As educators, we are well aware that visual messages help learners process information faster than text. So, by adding tailored visuals, we're enhancing comprehension and retention for our students. We are strengthening community engagement. Visual communication is universal, bridging language and cultural barriers. By integrating tailored visuals, we ensure that our diverse parent community feels included and better understands our school's messages and values. Ready to see how? Today, let's start by exploring the brand kit, which will be your gateway to consistent school branding. Start by logging into Canva. If you haven't yet been added to the CIS team in Canva, find the link to join in the description below. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Brand Kit. This is the heart of our CIS brand, housing our logos, brand colors, and fonts. It's here where you'll find the foundational elements that make our school's designs instantly recognizable. Below, you will find the brand templates. Whether you're creating a school report, a presentation, or a flyer, these templates give you a head start, ensuring everything is in line with our branding right from the get-go. To use a CIS branded template, hover over your chosen design and click on the Use Template button. It'll open up with our brand colors, fonts, and elements preset, saving you tons of time. At this point, you can make your desired changes. If you are new to using Canva, I highly encourage you to play around and experiment before sharing your designs with a wider audience. On the left panel, within your design workspace, you'll notice a tab labeled Brand. Here, you'll see the school's logos ready to be dragged into your design. Similarly, for colors and fonts, when you choose a text or element to customize, CIS brand colors and fonts will appear at the top of the selection palette, ensuring easy access. So, to wrap it up, the Canva Brand Kit feature is a game changer. No longer will you have to guess or search for the right color code or wonder which font to use. Everything you need for consistent branded school communications is right there, centralized and ready to be used. I look forward to seeing the vibrant and cohesive materials you'll produce. Happy designing!